In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your AI powered chat widget that goes on your website. So, you know how you have that little bubble chat widget on your website? I'm going to show you how to attach AI to it to where it can have a conversation, it can book appointments, it can be trained on your entire business, handle frequently asked questions, and do all kinds of stuff. And I'm going to show you step by step how to set it up using Go High Level and CloseBot.ai. Some of you probably saw my other video where I showed you how it actually works and how it can conversationally set appointments. I'm going to show you in detail how to set it up step by step. So I'm going to switch screens. We're going to jump right in. If you hit that like button, the subscribe button, I would be greatly appreciated. So let's just dive right in. So super fast, as you can see from my previous video, if you saw it, if not, I asked my chat widget, hey, what services do you provide? And it says we offer a wide range of services. And then it went through and it asked the questions. It collected my name, my email address, and then because it's connected to my calendar, it was actually able to schedule an appointment on my calendar based on my availability. So the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a high level account. If you do not have a high level account, I do have my affiliate link in the description below. If you sign up for high level through my affiliate link, I have all kinds of bonuses, trainings, how to set this all up. I'll even hop on a one-on-one call with you and help you set up all this up one-on-one. But I do have a bunch of trainings on how to set this up, how to automate businesses, how to do a whole bunch of cool stuff if you sign up through my affiliate link. And the second thing you're going to need is you're going to need a CloseBot account. If you do not have a CloseBot account and you sign up for CloseBot with a free trial, there's a free version of this through my affiliate link. I will also include the SOPs on step-by-step how to connect the two, high level and all this together. I have some in-depth trainings on how to set up multiple bots, how to have bots connected to missed call text back, how to have it answering your Facebook, social media. I have a whole bunch of trainings. If you go through my affiliate link and you sign up for CloseBot through my affiliate links, I'm going to throw in a whole bunch of bonuses. Again, my affiliate link is in the description below, but let's just dive right in on how to get your high level and your CloseBot account connected and set up to where your chat widget is actually powered by AI and answering questions. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to be logged in to your high level account. Then you're going to want to go over here to sites. Now, I'm not going to get into how to build a website, but you are going to have some sort of site or some sort of funnel. It doesn't matter if you have a WordPress or your site is somewhere else, because what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go over here to chat widget. And then you're going to create a new chat widget, and it's going to give you some options on how to edit everything. And it's going to show you what it looks like right here. We can edit the chat window. You can edit the messaging, and you can go through and you can change the style, the color, what you want it to look like. But basically, first thing you're going to want to do is, like I said, log into your high level account. You are going to want to have some sort of website where you can put your chat widget, and then you're going to want to go to the create chat widget and then customize where you wanted, all that fun stuff. And then once it's customized, you can either get the code or you can activate it on your high level website. So that is step one, logging into high level and then creating a live chat, because when you create, it'll give you an SMS email chat, live chat, or a WhatsApp chat. You're going to want to create a live chat for what we're doing here. Okay. SMS chat, that's where they have to give their phone number and email before the chat actually is activated. Live chat is where, like on my website here, where I can just click live chat and they can click here and they can actually just start a new conversation. Create a live chat widget, optimize it, customize it however you want. And then that is step one. So then step two is we're going to want to connect our CloseBot account to high level. So this is the dashboard. I'm not going to get into too much of the details of what this is, but right off the bat, they do give you some credits that you can use in the free version of this, so you can get it rocking and rolling. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go over here to modify bot. All right, once you're here at modify bot, you can go to general, you can name the bot. So I would definitely recommend changing the name of the bot, because if you have multiple bots, you're going to have a drop down just like you would sub accounts in high level. And then you always know which bot you're working on. What we're going to want to do to connect high level to CloseBot is we're going to want to go to integrate. And what you're going to do is you're going to be integrating every single bot to like each bot to a sub account. I'm going to want to hit add new. What it's going to do is it's going to ask me, it's going to prompt me to log into high level lead connector, and it's going to want my username or password for high level or lead connector. Once that connects, it's going to ask me which sub account do I want to connect this particular bot to. Then I select that. Now, right now, I'm actually working off of the free credits that are given to me for signing up. But what I'm going to do now is I can also get my own OpenAI API key. You go to platforms.openai.com, I believe that's it. And then you get your own API key, you plug your own API key in here. And then instead of working from the credits, you'll actually be pulling from your own API key. It's a little bit less expensive that way. Or you can get an Anthropic API key and do it that way. Webhooks, I'm not going to really get into that. That's how you connect. Again, it's easier if you're logged into your high level account, because then it will prompt you like which sub account, and then you connect it that way. Once that's all connected, then what we're going to want to do is you can go to detect here. There's some in deeper trainings that go into what this stuff does. Then I have the main here where Prospect Capo empowers local businesses. I give it some prompts on what my business does, a little bit of information. Why is this conversation happening? You can prompt it like, hey, this is a live chat on my website. It's a live widget. And then how to respond. You can prompt it on some different prompts. Again, in the deeper trainings, we go into this a little bit deeper. Now, objectives. What I want to do is I want it to, right off the bat, I want it to collect the person's first name. Then I wanted to ask, what services are you looking for? Then I wanted to collect the email. And so what's cool is it'll say, hey, what services are you looking for? And then once they say, hey, I'm looking to build an AI powered chat widget, it'll respond and say, hey, listen, just in case we get disconnected, what email are you, what's the best email address from you? Once they type in their email, it now creates them as a contact. Actually, the second they give their name, the second they engage with the widget, it creates a contact inside of high level and it just says guest. Once they give their name, it updates that contact field with their name. And then once they give their email, it then updates that contact field with their email address, as long as I click here, autofield update, and I select email. And then it will actually update that field inside of high level. Then booking, if I want it to be able to be connected to my calendar, you will need a calendar set up in your high level account. I'm not going to go into that right now on how to set up a calendar, but you will need a calendar set up in your high level account. And then if you want it to work off of the availabilities on your Google account, you do a two-way sync in high level in your calendar. And then that way, when it comes to the objective of actually booking the appointment, you can prompt it, lead name, know that the best way to make sure you're a good fit would be to have a short conversation over the phone. And so now it's going to push to book an appointment. I want to go to auto field updates here. I want to select the calendar dropdown, the calendar AI booking, and then I want to select the calendar. Since I'm already connected to that sub account, it should populate and know exactly what to do or which calendar I want to use. And then you're always going to want to hit save. Save is over here. Once I make any changes, let's say I change this to max attempts 2, then I'm going to want to hit that save button. But okay, it's going to want me to hit save anyways. So any changes you make to any of the objectives, then you're just going to want to hit save. Now, the cool thing is you can create a knowledge base. So you go to knowledge storage and it's going to give you some options. You can input text. I actually had ChatGPT create some text knowledge I gave it basically what my website, what I did, all my different offerings. And then I had ChatGPT create a text prompt. You can upload a file, or you can actually just plug in your website and it'll scrape the website and create a knowledge base based on that. And then once you've added those knowledge bases to your knowledge storage area, you're going to want to go back to modify bot. And then you're going to want to click the knowledge, and then you're going to want to highlight always make sure you're on the right bot. And so once I add the storage to that, then I want to make sure I'm on the right bot. Then I want to go to the knowledge, and then I want to highlight which knowledge base information that I want to choose from. And if you're using this account for multiple bots and multiple different sub accounts, just make sure that you're pulling from the right knowledge base. Okay, so it's that simple. So step 1, log into your high level account. Step 2, create a chat widget. Make sure that it's a live chat widget. Step 3, log into your CloseBot account. Then go to integrate your high level with CloseBot. Make sure you select the right sub account. Then we go over to objectives. Make sure you set your objectives. Make sure that the email is populating the email field. And then if you want it to conversationally book appointments, make sure that you connect the right calendar. Now, there is one more step to get this to work, okay? We have to create one workflow inside of High Level that is now going to trigger when someone communicates with my chat widget. I need AI to respond. So we only need to create one workflow to combine everything, and it's a very simple workflow. So I have my prospect capo bot. And what I'm going to do is the trigger is going to be customer replied, reply channel, live chat. I'm going to save that trigger. And then we have to create one webhook. I actually don't need this bot number right here. If you are going to connect multiple bots to a sub account, then you would just do custom data and then you would select the bot number. But I can actually erase this and my bot will work just fine. What I need to do though is do method post, and then I need to grab this URL right here that is going to be, so if I go to my CloseBot account and then I go to help resources, there is this little help articles, and then the first one is this initial setup video. And on the SOP, you can grab either one of these. Either one of these will do, okay? Some people want to white label their CloseBot, and so they don't want people knowing that it's CloseBot. So you can either highlight this one, copy it, or highlight this one. So let's say copy this, and I then put it right here in here, and I paste it, and then I hit save action, and then I hit save. Make sure that this is published, and boom. Now everything is connected. Everything is functioning. We did step 1, logged into High Level. Step 2, create the chat widget. Step 3, log into CloseBot, integrate it with High Level, select the right sub account. Step 4, do the objectives. Make sure you have the right calendar set up. Step 5, come over, create the workflow that triggers the chat widget, and then set up the webhook. And now everything should be good and functioning. Let's test it out. Can I have a question? Can you help me? And now it prompts says, give me 1 second. I'll answer your question. So what it's doing is then taking a second to activate the AI response. And then boom, of course, what would you like to know more about? Can you help me build an AI chat widget for my site? Absolutely. We can help you set up an AI chat widget for your site. It'll engage visitors in real time. Answer, can you share your email address so I can send you more detailed information? And so now it's going to go through the process. It already has my name because I activated the chat earlier and asked me my name, and it's going to move right. It's going to skip past that question if it already has my name, and it's going to start collecting details. So that is step by step how to use High Level and CloseBot to create an AI powered chat widget for your website that will have conversations, ask questions. You can feed its knowledge base, and it will conversationally book appointments for you even while you're sleeping. And then if you set up some more automations inside of High Level, you can set up triggers to where you're notified when someone's engaging with it. You can set up triggers to where you're notified when people schedule appointments through it. You can have it then move to another bot when people, let's say someone gives their phone number and their email, then another bot takes over through SMS. And there's so many things you can do with CloseBot and High Level combined together. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments. I do have in-depth trainings on how to set up High Level, how to get the automation set up, how to set this up through SMS, how to get this connected to your business Facebook page, your business Instagram. I do. So if you sign up for High Level through my affiliate link, I have all kinds of giveaways and trainings, templates, workflows, everything. If you sign up through CloseBot through my affiliate link, I will help you get it set up. I have trainings and a deep dive on how to get this all set up, how to get your bot trained, how to get multiple bots set up into one account, and all of that. So all the details will be in the description, and there should be a link to a Google Doc that will is basically a Google Doc of an SOP step by step how to get this set up just like this. It'll be this video, but in a Google Doc form. If you have any questions or if this was helpful, make sure you hit that like button and go ahead and sign up for your free CloseBot account right now through my link. And like I said, I've got all kinds of trainings and giveaways, and I'll help you get this set up with you step by step. I look forward to speaking with you. Go right now and set up your free CloseBot account and get bot making. We'll talk soon.